How to make money on Upwork. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make money on Upwork. So it's really easy on how you can make money on Upwork. So first of all, what you'll have to do is simply create an Upwork account. Now, if you don't know how to create an account, I have a separate video on how you can create an Upwork account. I'll leave the link in the description. You can simply check that video out. Now, once you've created an account, you'll have to simply set up your profile. And once you've set up your profile, you will be able to apply for jobs and take on jobs as a freelancer. So as you can see, this is my home page where it'll show me jobs you might like. So you can filter this by the best matches, the most recent, and the saved jobs. So if you go to best matches, it'll simply show you all of the different jobs posted by other clients. So let's say you see this job posted right over here, which was posted 5 hours ago. Now, let's say you are suited for this job and have the required expertise and requirements for this job. So, what you'll have to do now to make money from this job is simply click on it and then tap on the option apply now. Now, once you've done that, you will be able to see all of the details of this job, such as it is an entry level job. You'll have to propose your terms, and this project length should be less than a month. Now you can also see the skills and expertise required, the terms, the amount, etc. So all you have to do is simply bid and simply wait for your client to choose you as their freelancer. So you'll have to simply enter details like your cover letter, your attachments, which might help you get chosen or win the bid. Now, if you want, you can also boost your proposal, and then for every job, the number of connects depends. So by default, you will have 50 connects. So for this job, in order to apply for this job, you'll have to send 4 connects, which after that, you'll have a total of 46 connects left, which you will be able to use while applying for other jobs. So this is the basic. So this is the only way on how you can make money on Upwork. All you have to do is simply apply for jobs, which you can do, and simply wait for the client to accept you, and then you can start working and earn money. So that is basically how you make money on Upwork. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.